Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview of Induction hub Gorenje. Let's turn it on by this button. The next one, you can choose the heating area by just tapping on the properly placed. By this panel you can set the power of the heating. The letter P means power boost. It's a maximum heating power for chosen heating area. The next one, this icon, it's a pot position recognition with automatic recognition of the type of the pot and automatic combination of the heating areas. This button, it's for setting the time of the cooking. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.